Hello, good morning. Welcome to Software Designs. Today, I want to teach you how to use knife tool in Coreldraw. And in using knife tool in Coreldraw, um, this is the symbol for the knife tool. This is anytime you highlight it, you see the knife tool. And then, for example, let's say select a rectangle. You draw a rectangle like this, and you want to create or you want to cut it off by one side from this angle, or maybe from this angle, or let's say slant in the middle. You can actually click on this knife tool and then click, hold and drag as to show the any distance or any angle you want to cut it, and then you cut from the angle. You can see you cut, and then from here you can see something like showing like a point from here, and at this point it's also showing um, a touch of a cut from here, and then you can simply move that way and you discover that it has been cut into two. Then you have two shapes cut. So from this point you can actually use it in some cases that are difficult for you, that you want to use a knife to cut out a portion from your shape or any design instrument at all. Thank you so much. Subscribe to Soft Touch Designs.